Hello, I'm Freddie Stein from Acton John Thompson. I want to thank the team. We learned a lot from each other. We had a couple of great laughs. There's a couple of us here who's clowns actually, but we managed to pull through. But one of the things that stood out for me, especially yesterday in the class, was the difficult conversations. And when we had to role play, I was the manager, and I had to address one of my colleagues who had bad odors. And normally the person I am, I will go in straight and hit a nail on the head. But yesterday I used what I've learned, and I managed to settle the situation calmly. So I will go out and I will definitely apply that going forward. But yeah, Daniela, thank you very much, and to the team, thank you. You are awesome.